Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. iPhone virus warning. How to get rid of fake security alert on your iPhone and iPad when we are browsing on iPhone. Warning: this Apple iPhone is infected with virus. Now we no need to do anything, just we have to force close all the apps that are running in the background and launch settings and enable airplane mode. After that, we have to scroll all the way down and tap on Safari. Now, we have to tap on Clear History and Website Data. Now we have to tap on Clear History and Data again to clear the Safari browser. After that, force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until you get Apple logo, and also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. After the force restart, we have to go back to settings and disable airplane mode. That's it. This is the simple fix to get rid of fake security alert on your iPhone while browsing. Hopefully friends, this video is very informative for you, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.